I don't know. I'm not accusing her.
Well, is the answer to my question yes or no?
No.
Well, then that's that.
Okay. You've certainly been through a lot. How are you feeling in your house now? It's only 3 months after the last robbery.
I mean, I have to say that I don't sleep well at night. And hopefully I can, get past it.
I hope so. All right, we're gonna leave it there. Tell Miss Gomez we said hi.
I will.
We've watched this group of women and men break up, make up, fight, and forgive 9 seasons over. But we've also had the pleasure of watching them do what they do best. Paging all the doctors. Watch.
Black is it! It's good to be a black doctor!
Everybody. So tell me a little bit about your story. Okay, you say you recently divorced? Do it sound like I'm too nosy?
So I think it is good that you're exercising. Okay. The baby is not gonna fall out.
Listen, I was wondering.
Is that the baby? Oh my God. There's your baby. Oh my God. I know, that was so cool.
And as a doctor, you know what? I'm used to making things happen, saving lives, making changes.
I'm gonna push down, but you try not to let me do it, okay? Does that cause any pain?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
You know, how many years has it been since the knee replacement?
12 years.
You took it right down to 12 years, huh?
Anila's like my pin cushion. Little pinch.
That kind of hurt.
I haven't had a line on my forehead since I met you.
Yeah. Might have just multiplied.
Being a doctor can have its ups and downs. I mean, who wants to do a rectal exam? It's tough. Put your arm down, just looking for any atrophy. It looks pretty symmetrical. However, today is a good day. I'm not hating my job today. That's all I can say.
I want to be a doctor. Dr. Simone, why is this such a good time to be a black doctor?
Well, everyone was home during the pandemic, and we all saw George Floyd get murdered before our eyes, and it highlighted everything in medicine for blacks. Black mama mortality. Black babies are 2 times more likely to die than any other race if they do not have a black pediatrician.
Really?
Yes.
Why is that?
Cultural incompetence.
Cultural bias, subliminal racism, and people simply are not hearing black patients. Serena Williams tells her doctor that she thinks she has a pulmonary embolus, and she was having symptoms similar to when she had had a pulmonary embolus before, and the doctor completely dismissed her.
Wow.
And she had a pulmonary embolus, like she thought.
She made a demand.
Miss Audra was unable to join us today as she is close to giving birth.
Are you at the hospital?
You say you need any company?
I'm not in the hospital yet.
Regular voice.
But I am contracting. I'm the godmama, so I be down now.
Jackie, give us an update on how she and Martin are doing.
Oh my goodness, she is late 3rd trimester.
Yeah.
Has not had any complications. She comes to all of her visits. She said she's eating right and exercising, but I don't know if that's all true.
Jennifer from Bloomington, Minnesota said, did any of the ladies pick up some pointers on bedside manner watching their husbands treat patients? Dr. Heavenly, anything to learn from watching Dr. Damon?
Absolutely.
He's so calm and gentle.
Absolutely. They say opposites attract, right?
Right.
And it's just sexy to watch him work. It's just sexy, and I've learned a lot from him.
Aisha from Denver wants to know, Anila, Kieran called you his pin cushion for trying out new products.
I like to try all
Sounds
that.
risky. Has he ever messed up?
No, he's really good at what he does. I'm willing to do all the stuff he wants to try on me.
Quad, you denied having fillers or Botox.
Well, bitch, I don't wear fillers. I'm the youngest bitch here, the prettiest bitch here.
Anila, is she telling the truth?
No comment.
No comment.
Well, I mean, by your no comment, that's a comment.
Look,
Right.
That is something for Kieran. Kieran can look at every one of us and be able to tell.
And those little lines
who's
right
done
there, looks
Botox
like she hasn't
and
had any
fillers.
Botox in
I
her
haven't
forehead.
had Botox.
Yeah, see how she's
my ass
squishing?
is real. The wrinkles, this little 11 right here. Listen, I'm 41 years old. I'm fabulous.
Well, we can get you some.
I'm sure you can. I know you can get me a lot of things.
The show occupies a special place with our audience, and you ladies are often in the trenches of hot button issues. There's been unprecedented attacks on women's rights recently, with Roe v. Wade being overturned and now many states enacting outright bans. April from Orlando, Florida said, what do our OBGYNs think of politicians coming between them and their patients?
Roe versus Wade being overturned is devastating, especially to black women.
Heavenly, the day Roe was overturned, you went on your social media.
I don't know how I would feel if I had an unwanted pregnancy. Like, what would I do? Would I end the life? Would I end the baby? I don't know. But my whole thing is this. I don't think somebody should be able to decide that for me.
It's interesting. I know you're a woman of great faith.
I would not have an abortion. I would not. But for other people, everybody doesn't have the same faith. You know what I mean? And I don't think a man, white man, whatever man, can decide for us how we should do our bodies. That's just not where we should be at all.
But sometimes women their fetuses have lethal anomalies.
Right, I agree.
Exactly. Where no matter how long they carry it, this baby is not going to survive outside of the uterus, irrespective of your religious beliefs.
I still
saw
think
that happen in New
that's
Orleans
up to the mother. You can tell them everything, you can inform them, then oblige them. It's up to the person.
I agree with Heavenly. It should not be anybody's choice but the patient.
I mean, I think everybody agrees. Unfortunately, if your state does not offer it, especially if you're a person who can't talk to your doctor, you can't talk to your parent, then what do? I think the good thing is state legislature is so important. So make sure that you elect the right people in your state who allow you to still have abortions, period.